Hello friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored more than 50 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. In this short video, I talk about money and investments. When you want to make money, you have to start early. And unfortunately, I was not blessed at the right time in this world because I am already 15 years old with lots of challenges. So, however, it's better than never. That means I started investing slowly with the little one, whatever I have. There are different ways to make money, and the thing is you have to start early, and if there are any debts, clear them, and invest in gold, invest in various aspects, including bitcoins, and have a diversified portfolio, make more and multiply the money, understand the power of compounding. So likewise, there are certain things when you do it, you will be able to careful. And luckily, the millennials and centennials have lots of opportunities to invest and make money. Unlike the baby boomers who are at the verge of retiring, and I'm a Generation X. So I'm sandwiched between baby boomers and millennials. So lots of challenges. So still, I'm very positive that I can still make money with whatever the little I have, and I don't have any savings, but still I have to work on that gradually. So let me share with you my challenge. I was blessed to be alive after brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind and the healthy habits that acquired from Indian Air Force. I was born in a toxic family and grew in a toxic environment. I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose like a phoenix. So, the message from this video is emphasize financial freedom, and think in the long term, it's better late than never. And age is just a number. When you look at some of the uh, oh, veterans like uh, uh, KFC founder Colonel Sanders, so in the old days he founded and he became successful. So you have to be very positive and optimistic about life. First of all, you should have a right mindset to invest money and to lead a comfortable and happy life. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.